probably wondering what I'm doing right now. So what I'm doing here is to clean and disinfect my chicken equipment. That's my chicken house and that's my tomato field. So, but I'm not here to talk about those. I'm here to talk about this. Ne? So before you go any further, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share, comment. We love it when you guys comment, and you guys don't really like to like. So tata screen, tata. I'm joking. Please just like this video before you go any further. So what I'm here to do is actually to disinfect and clean my chicken equipment. So how often do I do this? I clean my chicken equipment after each and every cycle. So once the cycle is done, you disinfect your chicken house and you clean it. You take all the equipment, you clean and disinfect them. So I'm here outside my chicken house, and I'm cleaning this equipment. So what do I use to actually disinfect and clean? I use something called ViroKill. So you can get this at any store that most of the time they sell poultry stuff. So wherever you buy your feeders, drinkers, and chicks, they probably have ViroKill. So you go there, you get your ViroKill, then you clean and disinfect your chicken house. What are some of the products that you can use to clean and disinfect, except the one that I'm talking about right now? You can use Jig. It works, it kills the germs. We all know that. So you can get yourself Jig, and then you basically clean and disinfect with Jig. So to clean your chicken house, sometimes you can use just flute, even though it smells. So you can use just flute to clean and disinfect your chicken house as well. So now we are busy cleaning our equipment. If you're looking for the equipment that I use, you guys have seen how efficient the equipment that I use are. They're very dope. So if you're looking for equipment, check on my bio here on my YouTube channel. There is my number there and my email address. So guys, this is what I'm gonna say. Don't take that number, and if you know that you don't have any business with me, please don't take that number for the sake of having my number. So take that number if you're gonna use it. So take that number if you want business with me. So if you wanna buy equipment, take that number. If you want mentorship, take that number. Yeah, WhatsApp me, call me, whatever you wanna do with it. But I'm joking, guys. So but anyway, yeah, some of the equipment were actually clean, so I'm just trying to remove the dust from this other equipment. So because some they've been just sitting in the chicken house and not doing anything, but yeah, because of the dust that gets in the chicken house, that's why we gotta have to clean them now. So I'm gonna actually stop putting my equipment in the chicken house, because I normally store them there in the chicken house. So I'm gonna have to store them somewhere else now, maybe in the garage where I put my car. So I'll have to store them there. Some of these things I never used them. Some they're still new. Some I've been using. Yeah. But sometimes some I've used them once, because sometimes you find that actually one of the reasons why they're clean and are not being used is because currently I haven't been putting big numbers. So only in festive season, that's when we normally use most of our equipment. But during the year, we don't really use some of the equipment. I see you guys are really interacting on the channel these days, man. I love it. I love to interact with people, when you leave your comment and stuff. Yeah, so we're studying a new cycle. Today's Sunday, so on Tuesday we're gonna be studying a new cycle. So I feel like with that one, I'm gonna need to shoot content every day. Yeah, so you're gonna shoot every day, you're gonna upload every day. If not weekly, we can shoot every day. I don't know, you guys tell me what you prefer. Do you prefer me to shoot every day and post every day on the channel, or you prefer me to shoot every day then combine everything for the first week and then I share it once? So yeah, maybe we will do that. We will combine everything. We'll shoot, edit, and then put everything together for a week and then we upload. So yeah, we'll upload every week the results or the progress that will be happening on that cycle. So yeah, man, thanks for watching Makwala Agri, guys. I hope you enjoy the videos that I do. So if you have any questions, suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm planning to do some YouTube live. I don't know if you guys are you gonna be interested in it or what. So I'm planning to do maybe we can host every day or once a week. We can host a live. Maybe I can invite someone to chat with. I don't know. You guys give me something, just suggest something, because I'm planning to visit other farmers, but to do that it's kind expensive as well. So I want to know which one you guys prefer. Do you want me to go out and visit other farmers, have chat with them as they share their stories? Do you want me to host lives where you guys can also interact and ask questions, or I have to do them both? So which one you guys prefer? You tell me. I go and visit a farmer, we come back, upload the video, you see the video, and then we host the farmer live on the channel, and you guys get to ask questions. What do you guys think? What do you guys wanna know? Like, what do you think? I think I've been putting the same content for a while now, so I need to actually give you guys some new content, some dope content. But for me to go out to visit farmers, I will have to need you to work with me on that one, because it's gonna cost me a lot of money. So I'm gonna need money for petrol, for me to travel. So yeah, I've done it before with my own money. I don't have a problem with doing it with my own money. But remember, I'm not always gonna have cash hanging around to do that as well. And YouTube does not pay that much for me to do those things. So traveling costs a lot, guys. Petrol, in South Africa, petrol is too expensive. So imagine I have to drive from here to Gauteng to visit a farmer. How much money I'm gonna spend on toll gate and everything. So it's a lot of money. So, but anyway, you guys tell me what you think. You think you guys can contribute to that? You can actually contribute by becoming members on the channel, or you can send me something to my bank account straight up or directly to my bank, so that I can do those things. So yeah, I want to put more content, guys. What more do you want to see? Like, what do you guys suggest we do on this channel? This is our channel, guys. This is our only farming channel that I know that has been doing this good in South Africa in terms of sharing, in terms of poultry, so sharing knowledge and stuff. I think I've been doing this for a while now, 4 years. It's been an incredible journey, man. 26,000 subscribers. Wow, we've pushed. But yeah, you guys tell me what you think. So now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be cleaning this equipment. So I'm gonna stop doing the talking and then do the work. So I think I'm gonna pause or just let the video record. Yes, sir.
Zaga le banyana isimba birara bairoba chiva viru mesabala dead request big player nyako popa nyako fufa nyako ona nyako namela chete nyako popa nyako fufa Shoto on the rocks, nyere chimashihu manyiki nyoso saka kamo maru kela wano ngarbolo jabulani folani rulani waitad afenzo minya locho gamo notho Santa la Gastori Outriga Emma Pili Raifisa Repeta Galikeki Rai Shuta Nyako Popa Nyako Fufa Nyako Ona Nyako Namela Chete Nyako Popa Nyako Fufa Nyako Ona Nyako Namela Chete Kela pisise kuja molatsa kinyako chabote se ngwaho Kela pisise ki yellow page kinyaka chemen meke ngwaho Bare ngwano o lasta Akeli miletseng latka Nanka se kuni kinyako fasta Rekote ya fisa kinyaka master Di master slala slala na ke nyako betha slala ke nyako bina ke thule plaga ke ba bontshe ke tlhapirara pirara ha o se mo asala le stoko sa mo se tla o kala sa tla mo ka plana o nyala.
So we are now officially done cleaning, disinfecting our poultry equipment. Dango.